Check out the 4 Bumpers, an innovative new bumper guard for your personal vehicle. Made from solid steel, this clever auto accessory could save you quite a bit of cash. Simply attach it to the license plate area of your car, and you're instantly protected from those unsightly parking dings. If another vehicle makes contact with yours at low speeds, the 4 Bumpers takes the blow, so your car doesn't have to. To install your 4 Bumpers, unscrew your license plate and remove any existing plate frame. Next, place the 4 Bumpers in front of your license plate and screw them onto your vehicle. The 4 Bumpers is available in 2 versions. First, the Prime version includes a single bumper guard. For front bumpers with a relatively low license attachment, place the bumper guard at the top. Vehicles with a higher license attachment should place the Prime with its guard at the bottom. The same rules also apply for rear bumpers. For better protection, the Duo includes 2 bumper guards. Whatever you drive, this 4 Bumpers is the ideal choice. To make sure this doesn't happen, the 4 Bumpers will protect your bumper 24/7. Which of these amazing inventions impressed you the most? Tell us in the comments section below. Remember to subscribe and click on the bell notification icon to ensure you don't miss any upcoming videos. See you next time!